All right, boys and girls, we are going to solve this problem, and we need to um, rewrite 92 divided by 23 on your whiteboard. So let's set it up so that we can solve it, and we're going to use our division house, our symbol here, and our divisor is 23. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to divide. Can I put 23 into 9? No, I can't. Can I put 23 into 92? Sure thing. Now I have to find out how many times does 23 go into 92. Now I don't know the 23 facts off the top of my head, so I'm going to do some guessing and checking, okay? And here's what I'm thinking. 23 is pretty close to 25, and I know it takes 4 25s to be in 100, and 92 is close to 100, so I'm thinking I'm going to try 23 times 3. Let's see where we get when we do that. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. That's 69. Wonder if I could get closer. Let me try 23 times 4. All right, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, plus my 1 is 9. Oh my, looky there. Okay, so I know that 23 times 4 is going to be 92. So up here, I know I'm going to put 23 into 92 4 times. So we divided, let's multiply. 23 times 4 is 92. Let me subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0. I've got 0 left over. Check my work. I don't have anything to bring down. I don't need to repeat. So my answer, my quotient is 4.